Ever felt like money just slips through your fingers? Like no matter how hard you try, you're always playing catch-up? That feeling? That's a money block. It's not about how much you earn. It's about your relationship with money. Are you subconsciously sabotaging your savings? Do limiting beliefs about money hold you back? We all have them, ingrained from childhood experiences or societal conditioning. Maybe you grew up seeing money as scarce or equated wealth with greed. These beliefs, even if unconscious, profoundly impact our financial decisions. Understanding these ingrained beliefs is the first step to breaking free. Consider your relationship with spending. Is it driven by emotion, fear, or a need for instant gratification? Journaling can be a powerful tool here. Write down your thoughts and feelings about money, identifying recurring patterns and triggers. Are you a compulsive spender or a hoarder? Recognizing these patterns is crucial in shifting your mindset. Next, challenge those negative money beliefs. Replace, "I'll never be rich," with, "I'm creating a secure financial future." Replace, "Money is the root of all evil," with, "Money is a tool to achieve my goals." This conscious reframing can be transformative. Remember, your relationship with money is a learned behavior, and it can be unlearned and improved. Visualize your financial success. Imagine yourself confidently managing your finances, achieving your financial goals, and feeling financially secure. This positive visualization will rewire your brain to attract abundance rather than scarcity. Start small. Choose one area to focus on, perhaps mindless spending on coffee or unnecessary subscriptions, and actively work on improving it. Small victories build confidence and momentum, propelling you toward a healthier relationship with your finances. Remember, breaking free from money blocks is a journey, not a sprint. Once you've addressed those hidden money blocks, it's time to explore opportunities for growth. It's not just about saving, it's about strategically deploying your money to work for you. Think of it as planting seeds that will blossom into financial freedom. Where are those seeds? They might surprise you. Consider side hustles. What skills do you have that could generate extra income? Could you freelance, tutor, or sell handmade crafts? The internet offers a plethora of opportunities to monetize your talents. Even a few extra $100 a month can significantly boost your savings potential. Another often overlooked opportunity is reviewing your current expenses. Are you paying for services you rarely use? Can you negotiate better rates for utilities or insurance? Small adjustments here can free up significant funds for savings. Look for passive income streams. Investing in dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, or even creating and selling digital products can generate income with minimal effort. It's like having your money work for you 24/7, even while you sleep. Don't forget about the power of negotiation. Whether it's salary negotiations at your job or haggling for better deals on purchases, knowing your worth and advocating for yourself can lead to significant savings over time. Finally, keep an open mind. Opportunities for financial growth are everywhere. Stay informed, read financial news, and be open to exploring new avenues for increasing your income and building wealth. Before we dive into saving strategies, let's get clear on your financial needs. It's not about deprivation. It's about prioritizing what truly matters. What are your essential expenses? Rent, groceries, utilities, transportation. These are non-negotiable. Beyond the essentials, identify your short-term and long-term goals. Do you want to buy a car, pay off debt, or take a dream vacation? These goals will guide your saving strategies, providing motivation and direction. Setting smart goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, is key to success. Create a realistic budget. Track your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. There are many budgeting apps available that can simplify this process. Don't be afraid to adjust your budget as needed. It's a living document, not a rigid rule. Consider an emergency fund. Aim to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This buffer will protect you from unexpected events and prevent you from going into debt during crises. This peace of mind is invaluable. Building a solid financial foundation is like building a house. You wouldn't start building the second floor before the first floor is solid. Similarly, you must address your needs before you can focus on long-term wealth building. Now for the practical stuff. Saving money isn't about deprivation, it's about making conscious choices. Start by automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This makes saving effortless and consistent. Track your progress. Use a spreadsheet, budgeting app, or even a simple notebook to monitor your savings. Seeing your progress visually can be incredibly motivating. Celebrate milestones along the way. Look for areas to cut back. Analyze your spending habits. Where can you make small changes? Can you pack your lunch instead of eating out? Can you find cheaper alternatives for entertainment? Small changes add up over time. Consider the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This framework helps create a balanced budget. Develop a savings plan. Define your goals and create a plan to achieve them. Whether it's a short-term goal, like a new laptop, or a long-term goal like retirement, having a plan is essential. The yokai mindset is about embracing the long game. It's about patience, perseverance, and a willingness to adapt. Financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. View them as opportunities to learn and grow. Embrace delayed gratification. Resist the urge for instant gratification. Think long-term. Saving is an investment in your future self. Delayed gratification is a crucial skill for building wealth. Stay disciplined. Stick to your budget and savings plan, even when tempted. This is where discipline comes in. Consistency trumps sporadic efforts. Learn and adapt. The financial landscape is constantly changing. Stay informed about market trends and adapt your strategies as needed. Continuous learning is essential for financial success. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge your achievements, no matter how small. Positive reinforcement is key to staying motivated. Reward yourself, but within your budget. Let's go beyond the fundamentals. Explore high-yield savings accounts to maximize your interest earnings. Research different investment options such as index funds, bonds, or real estate to diversify your portfolio and potentially grow your wealth faster. Consider refinancing high-interest debt. Lowering your interest rates can free up a significant amount of money each month for savings. This strategic move can accelerate your progress towards financial independence. Learn about tax-advantaged accounts, such as 401ks and IRAs, to minimize your tax burden and maximize your savings. Understanding tax laws can help you save more. Explore debt consolidation. If you have multiple debts, consolidating them into a single loan with a lower interest rate can make repayment easier and free up cash flow. Finally, remember that saving is a lifelong journey. Continuously refine your strategies and adapt to changing circumstances. Financial literacy is a continuous process. Life throws curveballs. Unexpected expenses, job loss, or unforeseen circumstances can derail your savings plan. Having a buffer in place, like an emergency fund, is crucial for navigating these challenges. Dealing with lifestyle inflation is also common. As your income grows, so does your spending. Consciously resist lifestyle inflation and stick to your budget. Remember, it's all about habits and consistent saving. Emotional spending can be a significant obstacle. Identify your emotional triggers and develop strategies to manage them. Mindfulness and self-awareness can assist in this process. Avoiding comparison is also important. Don't compare your financial journey to others. Focus on your own goals and progress. Remember, consistency is key to success in financial planning. Don't let setbacks discourage you. Learn from mistakes and keep moving forward. So, what's your next step? First, honestly assess your current financial situation. Where are you now? Where do you want to be? This self-assessment is crucial for setting achievable goals. Second, create a detailed budget. Track your spending for a month to identify areas where you can cut back. Start small and make gradual changes to achieve greater savings. Third, establish an emergency fund. Start with a small amount and gradually build it up to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This safety net provides peace of mind during unexpected events. Fourth, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to savings account to make saving effortless. Make it a habit. Fifth, celebrate your wins. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how small. Reward yourself within budget to stay motivated. And finally, remember this is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, consistent, and persistent, your financial freedom awaits. Now go grab that financial future you deserve. Take action today.